In this video, we'll cover applying values to multiple items using our bulk editing options. So let's take a look at what we have for fields that we can use the bulk editing for. Under the Actions menu, you'll see bulk editing. So go ahead and click that, and we'll see what we can update. The first field here, targeted items. Do you want all of the items in the project to receive these values, or just selected items? You can adjust the quantities, as I mentioned, the packaging, labeling, delivery instructions, deliver by date, availability type or location. If you need to add an order by date, buy price multiplier, sell price multiplier, labor unit multiplier, margin percent, allow substitutes, and if you needed to assign cost codes. So these are the options for the bulk editing within the project. Now let's select some items because I don't want to apply some of these values globally to the project. I just want to apply some information to this grease waste underground system. So I've got the system selected for using the filters up here on the left. I'm going to select all of these items because if you remember, the first column, the first field in the bulk editing window is targeted items, all or selected. So we have the items in that work breakdown selected. And I'm going to apply some packaging instructions, the work order. A deliver by date if you need to convey that to your vendors. And let's see what else we'll do. A cost code and allow substitutes. Yes. So when you have all the fields filled out, just hit apply and close. And we'll see these are now all populated. You can go to the cost code. Job costing will be the view with the cost code. And I have a category assigned to my cost code, so that's filled out as well. When you assign the cost code, the category comes over with it. So now if we wanted to work with a different set of items, we'll just click off the filter at the top. I'll go to a different system. We'll do sanitary and direct. So again, I'm going to select using the first box, the checkbox in the top row, select all the items in this system and go to bulk editing. Change this to selected. And I want this label to be work order and we'll give this a cost code as well. And just hit apply and close. So you can go through the different systems or by manufacturer, or if cost codes or phases or things of that nature have come in with the project materials, you can also filter and work with the information in that way. And just continue to use the bulk editing option and adjust as you need to. And just a little tip, when you enter that information on the project level and then you put the items on an RFQ or a purchase order, for example, the information you put here in the project will flow through to the RFQ or the purchase order or whatever the transaction is that you're working with. So you only have to enter that information once at the project level. You have the opportunity to overwrite it as you work through the different transactions, but if nothing has changed, you won't need to enter that information again. Thanks for watching.